Hiccup? Hiccup? Oh, yeah, we're gonna get hiccup. Oh, oh no, hiccups again, no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Yeah. Okay, relax. Oh, there you go. Oh, I know. When you get so tired after you get hiccups. Remember last night? You got hiccups too. He was like, then you stop. Uh-huh. Oh,
He
baby.
hates hiccups.
Yeah.
They always make him whimper.
Yeah. It's okay. Shh, let him go away. Just hang in there, buddy. Hang in there.